Everyone has two important parts inside their mind and heart. These parts are called the ego and the higher self. Understanding the difference between them can help us live better and make better decisions. What is the ego? The ego is the part of us that cares about who we are on the outside. It wants us to look good, feel important, and be recognized by others. The ego thinks about what others will think and often tries to protect itself by avoiding failure or criticism. The ego can make us feel proud, jealous, angry, or scared. It wants to control situations and win. When the ego is strong, it can make us selfish or upset if things do not go our way. The ego often lives in the past or worries about the future. What is the higher self? The higher self is very different from the ego. It is the quiet, wise, and loving part inside us. The higher self cares about truth, kindness, and understanding. It helps us see the big picture and make choices that are good for everyone, not just ourselves. The higher self is calm and peaceful. It does not worry about what others think. Instead, it wants us to grow, learn, and be happy from inside. It helps us connect with our true purpose and feel connected to others and the world around us. How to know the difference? One easy way to tell the ego and higher self apart is by noticing your feelings. If you feel anxious, jealous, proud, or defensive, it is probably your ego speaking. If you feel calm, loving, and clear about what is right, it is likely your higher self. The ego wants quick results and often acts out of fear or desire. The higher self is patient and acts out of love and wisdom. Why is this important? When we listen only to the ego, we can make decisions that cause stress, arguments, and unhappiness. But when we listen to the higher self, we make choices that bring peace, joy, and growth. Learning to listen to the higher self helps us be more kind, patient, and true to ourselves. It helps us handle problems calmly and treat others with respect. How to connect with your higher self? Spend quiet time alone every day. Focus on your breathing and try to feel calm inside. Ask yourself what choice comes from love, not fear. Practice kindness to yourself and others. Notice when your ego is trying to control you, and gently choose to listen to your higher self instead. Conclusion. The ego and higher self are both parts of you. The ego wants to protect and feel important, but sometimes it can cause problems. The higher self is your inner guide that wants you to be happy and wise. Knowing the difference between them helps you make better choices and live a peaceful life. Remember, every day you can choose to listen more to your higher self.